Hello, this is Michael Heitz. Today I'm doing a review about my Udemy Cryptocurrency Starter Course. I did it for you because I noticed a lot of people, they don't know what is cryptos, and this is not good. So that's why I did this course. So let's go into it. What is the course about? So you can see here the name, blockchain and cryptocurrency fundamentals. So this is very important. I recommend all of you to go for this course. It's step by step, easy to understand for anyone starting from zero, and you should start from zero. If you go on Google and look for information and mix yourself, it's not good. And this one I did it from start to finish, and at the end you know everything you need to know. It's essential, because before investing in anything you should always understand how it works, what is the technology behind cryptocurrency, this is blockchain and other things. So fundamental concept. This course, I did it not alone. It's a collaboration with me and John Colley, which is a very good Udemy instructor for years. He's an expert. You have his website here. This is me here. So we did it together and to deliver good content to you like I always do. If you want to go for the course that I recommend you go for it, you have the link here and you can use the promo code. It's only available for 5 days, so if you want to get the best price you need to go it for now, and if they ask for the promo code, it's here, best price, in one word like it's written here. Then you will have the course, and now I will show you what's inside the course. So this is the page you will see when you click the link in the previous slides, and we will get the best price promo. So maybe it's not this, but yeah. And then I think it should be like this, but only for 5 days. It's limited, then it's normal price. So you need to take action if you want to pay cheaper price. So how you can see, this is here the name of the course, and I'm here, and my co-teacher instructor is here. So then this is what you will learn. Then you have the so like I said, everyone can do it, no prior knowledge of blockchain. So from zero you start, and you should start from zero. Otherwise, if you're already looking everywhere on Google, it's a very bad idea because you don't have good information. I did this course on purpose, so you have everything is structured from beginning, it's logical way, and then you will know everything. If you look here, first I speak about the technology, blockchain, then Bitcoin, Ethereum, and the rest, and then we go through all the topics. So if we go into the details, we have here the program of the course, the content, so the welcome. Then first, blockchain, the technology behind all cryptocurrency, all of them. Then we talk about Bitcoin, very important topic. For example, here mining. You can't go in the street and ask what is Bitcoin mining. You will see no one knows. Then Ethereum, second cryptocurrency by market cap. Then you have stable coins, very useful. I use it every day. And privacy coins, something different. Then crypto tokens about how to finance, a new way to finance. is very was very used. So ICO, and this one is more actual now. IO, this was in 2017, but this one is now used, and this not anymore. But you should know everything. And this is very important, the different type of token. Then we go into practical, how to store your cryptocurrency in a secure way. If you don't do it, it's very dangerous. And then how to buy, the simple way, how to spend, and then how to do savings in cryptocurrency, so better than the banks using stable coins. And you will see the interest is very high compared to banks. So this is the use case of cryptos. You can do it already, and here by spending also. If you use a crypto debit card, for example, I do it every day, and this one also. Then you have something about the futures, more reflection, and a new section I did add recently. This is me, and with other cryptocurrency startups, entrepreneurs, CEO, marketing manager. So I have two here, more is coming. So, and then it's me talking about the product, asking question like an interview. It's very interesting, very actual. You will see the challenge they are facing to be successful in the cryptocurrency, which is here but still new. So meaning they need to educate the people also, their users. Yeah, and that's it. This course is not staying like this forever. I'm updating it all the time. That's why we decided to add this, because this is value, content, and no one will offer this because this is me. It's my interviews, and no one can offer this because this is mine. I did create this. I did go for these people, and then I convince them to do an interview. Yeah. So all the section, for example, here Ethereum is coming, a lot of things. So I will update this, and I think maybe I will add a new section for Cardano, which is becoming very big. So we'll see. And yeah, but I will always update the course. Here you have the details about John Colley and about me here. And lastly, but very important for me, for us, me and John, is the reviews from the students. We have here 3.7 is good. But if you go for the course, please go inside and learn from the beginning to the end. I always say this. You need to invest in your own education, and this course is very cheap, but it's very complete. It's very complete, very structured. At the end, you know everything about cryptocurrency, really. So I say always the same. Invest in yourself, educate yourself. Otherwise, you will miss a big part, and maybe because of this lack of basic skills, you will do bad decision when investing. Even if you look, my other video is not enough. And then please, if you like the course, and like him, I did a course 100%. I have another one 90%, but a lot of people, they buy the course and they don't even do it. For me it's nonsense, but this is like this. But I encourage you to go for the full course, and then you will learn a lot. You will be above the other crypto investor, above your friends, and when they come, I know this. No, you know better, and you will see what the people are talking about, and they do. I'm expert. It's bullshit what they are talking about, and then you can be above them, or you can say, hey, you should go for this course because you don't know anything. And then if you like the course, please leave us a positive review. It's helped us a lot having a feedback and also getting better ranked on Udemy platform. So now you know what's inside the course. I will show you something special, and then you will see I care, and John also, about our students. So let's go. So like I said, we care about our students, about you, and inside Udemy you have a really good function. Is you can ask question live when you are in one lecture, one section. Every time something is unclear, you can ask a question. You can see here for this course I have question. It's all from the same students. Do it right. You should always do it because it makes me happy when I see a question. I will answer directly to you and in private, and you can more understand the course. It's also for me a feedback. This section is not clear. So if I have a lot of questions of the same section, maybe I will change it or improve it. This student is one of the best. He did all the course 100%. We have others, but he's the only one so far who ask questions, and very good ones. So I invite you to do the same. I will now show you live, answer one question live, so you see I care about you all. Okay, so I can see it's putting this. So this is about Ethereum. When you transfer anything to someone, then you need to pay a fee. Why? You will see inside the course is a link about mining. But it's a fee is very little at the moment, is very high because a lot of people are using Ethereum, which is very good. So then let's answer from its technology. So called blockchain. Every time you send anything on Ethereum blockchain or any other blockchains, you need to pay a fee. On Ethereum currently fees are high, which is normal, meaning a lot of people are using this blockchain every single days, especially for DeFi and NFTs. I need to add a new section about NFTs because it's new and it's growing, so I'll do it. I'm not going to explain now. Let's see, we'll add a new section about NFTs soon. Voilà. And this is normal regarding the technology behind Ethereum, and the same for all blockchain. by essence, let's see, by essence, a blockchain is not made to be fast. Be assured, Ethereum is working on this issue, and a lot of updates are coming live this year. The biggest is Ethereum 2, which will include sharding, a very big scaling solution. That's it. To conclude, there is nothing to worry about it. It's very good for Ethereum when a lot of people are using it. Well, ok, on va voir si on peut couper. So that's yeah, okay. So you see, we care about our students. I prove you live that I do. My answer is constructed, structured, personalized to the question. It's not a standard answer. Everyone who asks me something, I will take the time to answer like I did here. It's not a little answer. It's exactly what he needs to understand. And that's it. So now you know everything why you should go for this course. Again, I insist, you need to invest in your own education to be successful in any investment. It's not only me thinking like this. A lot of good and big investors like Warren Buffett, for example, I like him very much from what he's saying. And he says, I'm only investing in things I fully understand. This is exactly what I just said. And yeah, so I invite you to go for this course so you are ahead from the others investors, and then you have a good advantage because you understand the technology behind cryptocurrency, which is blockchain and other concepts you just going to learn. And then lastly, please leave us a positive review after you have the course, because it's important for us, for our visibility on Udemy, and also to get the feedback from our students. Lastly, don't forget the discount is here, only limited till for 5 days using best price code. You have the link here, so just take action, invest in your education. The price is very cheap, so I think it's worth it. And what is inside you will not find anywhere else, because the new section, cryptocurrency interviews, it's mine. No one can have it. So yeah, now it's time to take action.